Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the story of Jurassic World Rebirth, 2025. The film opens with a flashback to 2008 at an InGen genetics laboratory on Île Saint-Hubert, a remote Atlantic Ocean island. Scientists work on transgenic and mutated dinosaurs, including a disturbing six-limbed creature that later becomes known as Dinosaurs Rex. When the creature escapes and kills an employee, the lab is abandoned and sealed off. Cut to 2025, 5 years after Jurassic World Dominion. The climate around much of the world has become largely inhospitable for dinosaurs. Only a few species survive in equatorial zones, habitats that mimic their prehistoric environments. We meet Zora Bennett, a covert operative hired by a pharmaceutical company to lead a team on a secret mission. Alongside her are Duncan Kincaid, her field leader, and Dr. Henry Loomis, a paleontologist with expertise in ancient species. Their goal is not spectacle or entertainment, but science. Collect DNA from the world's 3 largest surviving prehistoric animals, Mosasaurus, Titanosaurus, and Quetzalcoatlus, because those samples may hold the key to developing a cure for heart disease. The group sets sail toward Île Saint-Hubert. Early on, they spot a Mosasaurus swimming near the water's surface. Zora's team uses a modified dart gun to extract a blood sample from the massive marine predator. But the sea isn't safe. A pack of Spinosaurus attacks, killing a team member named Bobby. In the chaos, one of the civilians, Teresa Delgado, falls overboard. Xavier Delgado, her son, jumps in to rescue her, pulling Ruben and Isabella into the turmoil as well. Now, 2 groups, the mission team and the stranded Delgado family, are tightly entwined. Their boat eventually crashes on Île Saint-Hubert, forcing everyone onto the dinosaur-ridden beach. The family and scientists regroup, but the danger doesn't let up. A Spinosaurus kills Nina, a member of the mission team, and separates the survivors further. Zora reveals that a rescue helicopter has been dispatched, but will only wait if there is complete radio silence for 24 hours, meaning they can't call for help without losing that extraction opportunity. As they press inland, the team locates a herd of Titanosaurus and successfully retrieves the second DNA sample. But their task is far from over. To obtain the last required sample, Zora leads Henry and another teammate, Leclerc, down a steep cliff to a massive Quetzalcoatlus nest inside an ancient cave temple. While they manage to collect the sample from the egg, the adult Quetzalcoatlus returns and devours Leclerc, leaving Zora and Henry devastated but alive. Meanwhile, the Delgados explore the island and encounter a variety of prehistoric creatures. While escaping from a riverbank, they are chased by a T-Rex before narrowly escaping onto higher ground. Eventually, both groups reunite near the abandoned InGen facility, realizing they must work together to survive and escape the island. As they attempt to reach the evacuation point, danger escalates further. A pack of Mutodon's hybrid raptor/pterosaur creatures ambushes them inside the old research compound. The helicopter that was meant to extract them begins to leave as they fail to signal in time. Just when hope seems lost, the terrifying Dinosaurs Rex emerges and destroys the helicopter, killing the pharmaceutical representative Martin Krebs before pursuing the survivors. With the island collapsing into chaos, Zora, Henry, Ruben, Teresa, Xavier, and Isabella discover an underground tunnel system leading away from the facility. They fight their way through these passages until reaching the ocean, where they find an old boat that can take them off the island. Duncan lights a flare to distract the Dinosaurs Rex, allowing the group to reach the boat and put distance between themselves and the terrifying beast. As the movie concludes, the samples they collected are intact. Zora and Henry agree to make the DNA technology open source, meaning the life-saving treatment they helped secure will be distributed so everyone in the world can benefit, not patented for profit. Jurassic World Rebirth ends on both a thrilling and hopeful note. The characters have survived unimaginable danger, and humanity now holds a scientific breakthrough that could change millions of lives, while the island and its mutant dinosaurs fade behind them as they move towards safety. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this movie breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which movie you want next.